Isang school head or principal aspirant ka ba? Kung oo, may update ako para sa iyo. Kung interesado ka, just keep on watching. Pero bago yan, welcome muna sa Teacher Talks for your school-related updates. Kung bago ka pa lang sa channel ko, please like, share, and subscribe. At i-hit mo na rin ang notification bell para lagi kang updated sa mga bago kong uploads. So, ayun nga mga school head and principal aspirants, meron ngang lumabas na bagong issuance na nagsasabi na regardless of the current position experience requirement, basta na-meet nyo ang qualifications ay makakapag-test kayo sa March 2022. This is based on Memorandum DM-HROD-2021-0222 to all regional directors, all schools division superintendents, all others concerned. From Wilfredo E. Cabral, Regional Director, DepEd NCR, and Officer in Charge, Office of the Undersecretary, Human Resource and Organizational Development. Subject: clarifications on the eligibility requirements for fiscal year 2021 National Qualifying Examination for School Heads or NCESH. Date: September 23, 2021. Mga ma'am and sir, makinig mabuti. This has a reference to DM-HROD-2021-0152, which provides the eligibility requirements to be qualified to participate in the fiscal year 2021 National Qualifying Examination for School Heads or NCESH. Please be clarified that aspiring school heads, regardless of their current position, are qualified to take the NCESH provided that the following requirements are met. Number 1, meets the minimum qualification standards or QS for Principal 1 position stipulated in DepEd Order Number 39, Series 2007, entitled Modified Qualification Standards for the position of head teachers and principals. And number 2, has acquired any of the following experience requirements as of February 2022. Makinig mabuti. Letter A, by February 2022, dapat 1 year as head teacher. Or letter B, 2 years as teacher in charge. Or letter C, 2 years as master teacher. Or letter D, 5 years as teacher 3 or SPED teacher. Or letter E, 5 years as incumbent public school teacher who has 5 years of managerial and supervisory experience in a DepEd recognized private institution or Commission on Higher Education, recognized higher education institutions. Moreover, please note that the following documents are required only for the specific requirements related to experience. 2 years as teacher in charge, kinakailangan mo po ng designation or special order as teacher in charge or officer in charge signed by the school's division superintendent is required for those who acquired. Number 2, 5 years as incumbent public school teacher, kinakailangan nyo po ng certification of managerial and supervisory experience from DepEd recognized public institution or CHED recognized higher education institution signed by the president of the institution. At ang pinakahuli, instructions on the application process and other information related to the conduct of the fiscal year 2021 NCESH in March 2022 shall be announced in a separate memorandum. And for further inquiries, all concerned may contact the Human Resource and Development Division through their email address and Facebook group. So para sa mga school heads and principal aspirants, sana po ay nakatulong sa inyo ang video na ito. This is the latest issuance. Let us all be updated and prepare for our big day kung saan tayo po ay mag-e-exam. So don't forget to read, and study and prepare ourselves so that we will be armed with all the things that we needed to pass this NCESH. Let us all be intellectual, emotional, mental, and spiritual ready for this. Dahil nasa kamay po ninyo ang inyong pagpasa para maging mga lingkod bayan at tagapagtaguyod ng edukasyon at ng mga paaralan sa buong Pilipinas. Good luck and heads up all aspirant principals and school heads. For the next vlog, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.